it is once again. Come on down and get them Hollywood trades. We are going to make this a quick one because I have somewhere to go. But I just wanted to come back with this one because this was a move that I've been waiting on for a few sessions now. We had a rally, and then this stagnation here, which is this is a bearish pattern. If you guys, anybody who knows pattern recognition, you get to a height and then you sweep and then you come down, and you sweep and you come down and you sweep, but you really fail one of these levels. So once you get it's what's happening is it's absorbing anybody who's did pattern training, it's absorbing liquidity as opposed to a bullish flag where it goes down and it absorbs. It would have had to have come down here, come down here, come down here, hit this, and then we would spike up after that, whereas this one was absorbing shorts. It was just collecting shorts on the way up, but not sending them to take profit, which at this point would have been here, right? Right. And see, you start thinking about it, it makes sense. So it's absorbing shorts, and these people aren't really getting stopped out. So that's the thing. There, a lot of them won't be stopped out. Their stop will be safe under deviation on the higher time frame block, or over a deviation on a higher time frame block over here to the left, right? So if they're trading short from this block here, their stop would be somewhere up here, right? And this is an unmitigated block. It broke it and never came back to us. So this should have given us a short, is just expected. And so that's pretty much what I was looking for. And then we had a neat target in the buy side, in the sell side of the breakpoint of fair value gap. Fair value gap with a breakpoint is a very powerful stopping point. Not saying that it's time to go long, but this did sweep this level now, and then now we have access to this whole correction up here, as I would say. So that's pretty much that. It was a very simple, straightforward thing that I wanted to show with this move, and it was just a pretty simple, straightforward delivery and expectation because of this being a Fibonacci low to a Fibonacci high, and then getting your Fibonacci retrace. Anybody who is wondering about how cool this Fibonacci looks, let's just go ahead and put one on here and see exactly how nice we have retested the 50% of that. Didn't have to pull it up, but 50% is always the first kind of stopping point. Any FVG below the 50% and below the breakpoint is going to be a really neat stopping point for price. This whole fall was just expected. Once it waterfalled, stops, waterfall. It's just breaking, killing those stops on the way down, coming out of the new day opening gap. Between the close and the open of the next daily bar. Of course, we did create a bearish void resistance, as I would call it. But that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me. But that's pretty much that. That's all I have for right now. Going forward into the session, I am expecting, if we cover this whole candle, right, and do not create a fair value gap, then I would say we would use this as support and then eventually kind of scale. But if this does create a fair value gap in this 10 o'clock candle, basically failing to recover this breakpoint, which will create a bearish imbalance, the 11 o'clock candle will dip into it. And between the 11, 12, 1 o'clock candle, we'll see further sell side action, because we did not get the Fibonacci correction all the way complete to this golden level here. So that's what I'm looking at right now. Again, we do have a support option here. This would be a very nice level to go back and sweep, at least recorrect all of this. That would be a really nice trade, because I was short since close here. So I was up 500 pips. I just closed that as it hit this and started slowing down. Just a nice place to take profit. So you all have fun. I'm going to take care of some business for the day, and I am Arrivederci out. Follow, comment, like, subscribe, go follow the YouTube. We will be back later. Adios, amigos.